Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Meron tayong special channel for Virgo. Pakicheck na lang Virgo Philippines, okay? So, para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, isearch mo na lang siya sa Facebook, Messenger. Ayan. So, kaibigan ko yan guys, hindi ako yon ha. Pag magpa-personal reading ako, doon ko na lang sa TikTok i-announce. So, i-follow mo din ako doon. Okay, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Page of Cups, Three of Wands, Justice card. This is Libra energy. So, bottom of the deck is the Four of Wands. This is regarding sa career. Nakita tayo ng mga opportunities for you, mga offer para sa'yo. And some of you with the Three of Wands, nakita tayo dito ng parang you see yourself na mag-grow or there's a success sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. And there's a high chance din ng stability and money for you. And I feel like may growth may growth tayong nakikita. Especially with the Page of Cups. Nandun yung parang kung halimbawa ay matagal, alam mo yung halimbawa sa love, 'di ba? Pag bago-bago pa lang, sweet, ganon. Ngayon, nakakakita tayo ng renewal dito sa pagdating sa career mo. Na parang maybe if there's a career na parang matagal na, tapos dumating na sa point na parang tinatamad ka nang gawin yung ano na yun kasi ang tagal na, gusto mo na naman ng bago. And then there's this energy na pwedeng may mga pagbabago or may mga bagong nangyayari regarding do sa career na yon. And then pwedeng nagkakaroon ng parang excited ka na naman. So that's the energy here. So nakakita tayo ng money dahil sa excitement or sa pakiramdam na feeling na parang gusto mo na naman ulit gawin yung mga ginagawa mo dati nang this time mas inspired. And dahil dito ay nagkakaroon ng chances of success in the future para sa'yo. Okay. May message ba tayo pagdating sa love for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos? For the sign of Virgos. Yeah, do you have here the Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Six of Swords. Regarding the past, if you're dealing with the past, with an ex or with someone na pwedeng may separation, may malayo na, there's this moving on or maybe yung some of you naka-move on na, yung iba nasa moving on stage because pwedeng nasabi mo na lahat or nalaman mo na lahat or nasabi mo na lahat ng totoo sa'yo or you have learned a lot from this person already and now you are ready to move on. And yeah, I don't feel like maggagawa ka pa ng actions because kung gagawa ka ng actions ng something is pwedeng feeling mo masasaktan ka lang, so you're moving on. And then pagdating sa love, if you're in a relationship, I can see money. I can see a lot of money coming in here for you kung ikaw ay nasa stable, magandang relationship. I can see both of you and your partner is having this growth, no? Na parang paparating sa inyo. And Tell me about this. What's with the Ten of Pentacles and the Four of Wands? Yan. Kasi, yeah, especially if you're one of you or both of you ay nagkakaroon ng new beginnings pagdating sa career. May breakthrough na tinatawag. Yung parang, it's like a windfall. Pag sinabi nating windfall, katulad yun parang apple. Dahil sa lakas ng hangin, biglang bumagsak and nasalo mo yung apple. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? It's like a major breakthrough and money is about to come to you and to your partner. Okay, some of you pwedeng yung partner mo yun na magkakaroon ng major breakthrough and windfall. So, ang energy, makikinabang ka. No? So, ito more on money, ito, yeah, you do have the Nine of Wands. Something is growing here from whatever challenge ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. So, it's like pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may challenging situation sa inyo na person mo na magdudulot para magkaroon ng growth sa inyo. Dahil kung hindi nagkaroon ng challenge, hindi mo matututunan, hindi ka magkakaroon ng growth, etc. But you are growing with this person. And there's money here. And for some of you na if you're single, temperance is here. So, some of you, kailangan mo lang maghintay or wag kang magmadali. Kailangan mong aralin kung itong person ba na ito ay okay sa'yo or kung wala pa, kailangan mo lang maghintay. There's a new one coming for you. Okay? Pero sabi ko nga, pag may dumating na bago, wag magmadali. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-message doon. So, all in all, ngayon, pagdating sa career, medyo mas maganda yung sinasabi. Pagdating sa love, if you're in a relationship, medyo concentrate pa rin muna kayo sa money kasi you need to build something. Okay? And if you're dealing with the past, wag mo na muna isipin si past and you focus on your money. In the near future for you, Virgo. Six of Cups. King of Wands. The Eight of Cups. Eight of Wands. Clarify the Six of Cups and the King of Wands. The Wheel. So, may malaking pagbabago sa'yo in the near future. Some of you, maiiba yung mga bagay na gusto mo in the past. Parang ito yung goals mo, ito yung gusto mo, ito yung gusto mong ma-achieve, ito pangarap mo, etc. Pwede may changes pagdating doon. Some of you, pagdating sa love, there's also changes in the near future. Nakita tayo ng protection. Kasi might be in the past, medyo hindi naging maganda yung relationships or what. Pero in the future, nakita tayo ng magandang relationship. I can see rebirth. I can see support mula sa family. I can see a lot of happiness here. Okay. And may mga taong aalis sa buhay mo in the future. Pero you're showing us wala kang pakialam or okay lang, but deep inside masakit para sa'yo. And of course, mas masakit yung inaalisan kaysa yung feeling ng aalis, diba? So the Emperor is here. You're going to build something. So kung may mga aalis, you are the Seven of Cups. And the Four of Cups. Kung wala ka na magagawa, all you have to do is to focus kung ano yung mga meron sa'yo or natira sa'yo with the Two of Cups. Yan. And that could be anything. That could be a family member, a friend. Yan. Yun yung mga nakikita natin. And tell me about this pag-alis. You do have here the Ace of Wands. Yeah, definitely there's a new beginning for you. And with the Eight of Pentacles, I can see you na mas magfo-focus ka sa career during this pag-alis ng mga taong ito. Oh my gosh. This is the energy of mga taong aalis sa'yo na wherein meron silang mga plano, which is pwedeng mag-take sila ng actions regarding dito sa mga plano na ito, pero there's this energy of hindi ito mag-work out. I can see problems, stressful energies with the Fool. Kung ano man itong offer na iti-take nila or ano man itong bagong tatahakin nila, it's not this is what they want with the Star. Ito yung gusto nila, but it's too good to be true for them kasi there's this Page of Pentacles. Medyo mabigat yung responsibilidad, and kung ano man ito new beginnings na ito, mabilis lang itong matatapos or mag-i-end para sa kanila with the Queen of Swords. Some of you pwedeng babalik din itong mga taong ito sa buhay mo, but kailangan mo munang hintayin na matutunan nila yung lessons with the Hierophant. Okay? Kasi kumbaga, let them go. Kung para sila sa'yo, babalik sila sa'yo. Kung hindi, hayaan mo lang. Okay? But they have their own lessons na kailangan matutunan. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.